Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
This is how it is. Now in this field, some part of it is data. But what about this part? Right. What about these parts? So they are filled with spaces. Space is the most common filling character, or what we call as the padding character. Padding character, right? So padding character typically most commonly used is space. What is the padding character? Here it is. Here it is. And here it is. These are padding characters. So the data may not be in the full length of the field. So whatever is left is padded with extra spaces. Got it. Now if there was a number? Now text and numeric fields are handled differently. Text fields are always left aligned. Always, they will be left aligned in a fixed length file. And the number would always be right aligned. That is the historical reason that you see, even in Workday, even in Excel, which are quite modern tools, that text will be left aligned, numbers will be right aligned. Okay, so now I will show you how it looks like if I go here. Let's say name and age. These are two fields. The name is a text field. Let's say Krish. And the age will be, let's say 3-5. Okay. This is the age, and let's say it is Mahatma Gandhi. His age will be, let's say, 100 and I don't know, 118, 81. So what would it be? 140, right? You see how this text is aligned. It is not like this. It doesn't start from here. It ends here. So if you look at the field, this field, the name field might be from here to here, right? So it is left aligned. The rest of it is spaces. But this age field is right aligned, and it has spaces on the left.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.